All right, guys. We did one video before this one, but for some reason, audio only, the video just stopped. So here we are, second time. It is May 8th, 2024, Ocean City Beach. Walking along the, out in the Atlantic here. Water's kind of cold. But, yeah, all of a sudden it did something weird and it just went still. So, we're doing it, walking back to the hotel, so that's these bad boys. We go on the boardwalk down there. We gotta find some seafood place tonight. So, but one thing you don't get tired of is the ocean. So something, I don't know, that camera decided just to stop recording. That happens every once in a while. I use this camera a lot, so you never know. Never get tired of the ocean. Yeah, we had a little condensation in the bathroom. Above the bathroom was some water leaking because the air conditioning was turned on, so it was leaking on it, and the guy came and fixed it. She first went to Hilton. She thought that's where we're at. So, I said, you first went to the Hilton, you thought we were at. But, which one are we at again? Doubletree, so. You kind of tell it's kind of like Virginia Beach, more or older. But I think way back there, that's where the boardwalk is. The outdoor pool is closed. I think they're getting it ready for because in about 2 weeks, Memorial Day comes and all the families come. So there's a water park on the other side over there. Across, I don't know. I remember when we were in during COVID, we were in Turtle Myrtle. A lot of big restaurants closed. So a lot of the restaurants are closed in the week on the weekend. So holiday season kicks in, the traveling. You can tell it's very family orientated. Drive down was fun. Stopped at a couple places on the way down. Not as much plight as we saw in South Carolina.
What?
We didn't see much plight on the way down. We didn't see Joe Biden. We went through Delaware. We didn't see him. I was scared. We were gonna see his young ass. I was afraid and scared. Yeah, the first video, it kind of, all of a sudden, like, oh no. But, oh well. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna get in, but we are gonna go meet. We got a bunch of these. You can see a bunch of these bad boys right here. Look at that bad boy. Whole bunch of them. I don't see any gold or anything, do you guys? Whole bunch. Never get tired of that. I'm rolling in.
Oh, look at the last one. It's got a hole in it.
Yeah. So that's the Hilton. Oh, there's the Doubletree we are at. On the 7th floor. Flight down was, we had 2 gate changes in the way, but they got us out an hour late. But we were gonna go to the City Barley Shove game, but we were late anyway. But it was the whole thing of having the bags in the back of the car. You don't want to have that. So, and Camden Yard's a long ways away for a ball game. So, oh well. So always next time. We're gonna go down the boardwalk later on one of these times. We're gonna see that. Right.
You cut your foot.
I know, you can cut, that's why you gotta be your shoes down here. Otherwise you will. But the water's nice and cold. I'm not gonna be swimming in the bad boy. I'm a Nancy boy. Woo! She thinks I got the camera on her and she starts dancing. That's pretty hilarious.
Say something?
No, she was like, woo, like she thought I had the camera on her. Oh, I was like, woo. As the song says, if you don't feel small next to the ocean. Like the song says, if you don't feel small next to the ocean. See that?
It's humid out here.
That's human.
Can you tell?
Yeah, I know. We got out of Delaware. You stepped outside. And what was that? What was that store we went to?
Grocery store?
Yeah, what was it called?
Expensive one?
Oh, yeah.
Acme.
Acme, yes.
Oh my god.
Expensive. So there's the hotel up there, DoubleTree by Hilton. So I got these. Where did I get these in Virginia Beach or what? Did I get those in Virginia Beach? Like $5 or something.
No, Costco, I think.
Okay. Oh, my guess
I
Costco.
don't know wherever they've been in the cruise box.
I guess it was Costco. So.
No, the ones you got in Virginia Beach were just black and flat.
Oh, okay. So yeah, these are pretty
You
good.
didn't like your Crocs on the beach because there were holes and rocks
Yeah.
were getting in.
The Crocs, yeah. I wear those outside, but yeah. How about the DJI? Both the DJIs. Come on out here and play in the dirt. We're right up there, right up there. 7th floor. No walking across the dunes. I'm a YouTuber, I should be able to.
Holy cow.
Little cramp?
She's sitting on the plane and in the car.
Yeah, sitting on the plane. But yeah, the flight was pretty good. I saw a movie, Hidden, what do they call that one? Hidden, oh, I can't remember what it's called. The NASA one, it was good. Features.
Huh?
Oh, what the hell was it called? Hidden Figures. It was good. But anyways, guys, so there it is, right up there. So she went on that one first. So anyways, guys, so first round was going that way. So we got the first video of the trip here in Ocean City, Maryland. We'll go to the boardwalk. We'll see if we can get in. We'll see what happens. I don't know. We'll go play some mini putting.
I was waiting for that guy to say, sorry, you got to change rooms after I got everything
Oh, I know.
unpacked.
All right, guys. From the DoubleTree. All right.